Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome to our video.
My name is Muhamad Alfie
And I am Muhamad Ramuji. In this video, we will have an English dialogue about dream place to vacation. Alfie, the end of the year is coming soon. Where are you doing right now?
I am making a plan for next week holiday to travel.
So, you always plan to travel when you have a holiday?
Yes, I like to travel.
Where do you want to go on next week?
I wanted to Pulau Kakauson on Kalimantan Island. There are such beautiful beach with a wonderful view.
Yeah, I knew that place before. It's a wonderful place.
How about where are you going to go?
Oh, maybe I will go to my grandparents' house. I haven't been there in a long time.
That's nice. Please send my regrets to them.
Okay, see you, Alfie.
See you.
Okay, maybe just enough video to get here.
Thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like,
And
subscribe, comment to channel Iki. Bye bye.
bye bye.